Tennis, a game of finesse, strategy, and sheer athleticism. The sound of the ball striking the racket, the squeak of sneakers on the court, the thrill of chasing down that perfect shot. It's not just a sport, it's a way of life. A way to have fun, stay active, and burn those calories without even realizing it. There's something magical about stepping onto the court, feeling the sun on your skin, the breeze in your hair, and the anticipation of the match ahead. The rhythmic back and forth of the rally, the quick reflexes needed to return a powerful serve, the mental focus required to outsmart your opponent. It's a dance of skill and determination, a test of endurance and agility. But what sets tennis apart is the sheer joy it brings, the satisfaction of a well-placed shot, the camaraderie of playing doubles with friends, the sense of accomplishment when you push yourself to run that extra mile. It's not just about winning or losing. It's about the journey, the growth, the moments of pure bliss when you're in the zone, completely immersed in the game. And let's not forget the physical benefits. Tennis is a full-body workout, engaging muscles you never knew you had. The explosive power of your legs as you sprint to the net, the strength of your arms as you whip that forehand cross-court, the agility of your mind as you strategize your next move. It's a calorie-burning machine, torching fat and building muscle with every swing of the racket. But what truly sets tennis apart is its accessibility. You don't need fancy equipment or a professional coach to enjoy a game. All you need is a racket, a ball, and a willing partner. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or a seasoned pro honing your skills, there's always room to improve, to grow, to challenge yourself in ways you never thought possible. So why not pick up a racket and give it a try? Feel the rush of adrenaline as you serve an ace, the satisfaction of a well-executed drop shot, the thrill of a hard-fought victory. Tennis isn't just a sport, it's a lifestyle. It's about pushing yourself to be the best you can be, on and off the court. It's about finding joy in the journey, in the sweat and the struggle, in the triumphs and the defeats. So go ahead, play a fun sport, and burn those calories. But remember, tennis is more than just a game. It's a passion, a way of life, a love affair with the court. And once you step onto that pristine surface, feel the rush of competition, and hear the satisfying thud of the ball against your strings, you'll understand why tennis is more than just a sport. It's a way to connect with yourself, with others, and with the world around you.